In this video, I will show you how to fix any login problems with the Kakaotalk app in 2024. So let's jump straight into it. So there's a few things you can try in order to resolve the problem if you're having problems logging into the app. Now the first thing I would recommend is checking that you have a strong, stable internet connection. So what you want to do is actually change if you're on a Wi-Fi network to mobile data and vice versa. Sometimes if the internet connection is down, this can actually prevent you from logging in successfully to the app. You can also try connecting to different Wi-Fi networks and try and see if that resolves the problem. The second thing I would recommend is going onto the Play Store or the iTunes Store if you're using an iPhone, and what you want to do is go ahead and search for the app. And once you find the app, you want to make sure that it is up to date. So if there is an update available, instead of saying open here, it's going to say update. So you want to make sure that you have the most updated version of the app, as an out-of-date version may contain some bugs or something like that, which may prevent you from logging in successfully. And the third and final thing I would recommend is if you actually go ahead and locate the app on your device, and what you want to do is long hold and press onto the app to get a menu come up like this. Then go ahead and press onto app info. Next, what you want to do is just come down into the storage and go ahead and press onto storage. And at the very bottom of the screen, you first want to clear the cache and clear the data. So by doing this, this is going to reset the app and potentially fix any problems with logging into the Kakaotalk app. So that's how to go ahead and fix any login problems on the Kakaotalk app in 2024. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.